burn a bitch, there a tiny amount of bitch in me. I make some friends, but I got a lot of enemies. I burn some bridges, but I know it took a toll on me. And I can even help it, but my demons are controlling me. Is it really worth wasting all my time for it? Watch you whittle in the bed and let you die for it, lie for it. People always ask me what the f*** I'm for, but nowadays I don't even want to stay alive for it. I can even tell my mama how I'm feeling. Back when I was stealing food from the kitchen, bitch, missing. It doesn't even resonate with you. We got no issues, but I might just wipe your nose like a tissue, my nigga. Please excuse OG or old me. If you need help, then don't come and find me. Worst comes to worst, bounce out with the high knee. Shoot a man down and make sure he can't breathe. Please excuse.
Central, I'll be 1019, 1051 to station.